this video, I will explain bank reconciliation statement, question number 17, NCERT, chapter 5, DRS, chapter 5, 11th accountancy. So, class 11th accountancy, DRS, 17th numerical question. As I have already made 3 video, DRS numerical question 1, balance as per cash book. DRS numerical question 7, balance as per passbook. DRS numerical question 13, overdraft as per cash book. And another question, overdraft as per passbook. So here the question start with balance as per passbook overdrawn. So that's mean overdraft as per passbook. So this question, it start with balance as per passbook. So if it is balance as per passbook, the procedure is what we have to do is first since it is a overdraft, we have to show it in the minus column. 20,000 overdraft 20,000. And the second one, interest on bank overdraft not entered in the cash book. So interest on overdraft mean bank has reduced 2,000 in the account or increased overdraft 2,000. I mean increased our debit balance 2,000 in the passbook. So bank there is a 2,000 negative balance. Because of that, interest bank has charged 2,000 in the passbook. So passbook 2,000 they have decreased. Now we are starting as per the balance as per the passbook. Therefore, we have to decrease or increase passbook as per the cash book. So this 2,000 interest, cash book they have not decreased. Only passbook it is decreased. Therefore, as per the passbook, to equate with passbook to equate with cash book, the passbook which reduced 2,000 for interest also has to be increased. So plus column 2,000 has to be entered. Third one, 200 insurance premium paid by bank has not been entered in the cash book. So 200 on behalf of the account holder, the bank has paid as insurance premium. So therefore 200 they have reduced in the bank passbook. But cash book, there is no change. So as per the passbook, if you wanted to adjust, you have to increase the passbook. So passbook also 200 has to be increased as per the passbook. Fourth one, check drawn in the last week of December 2014 but not cleared till date for rupees 2,000 and rupees 3,500. Check drawn mean the account holder has issued or wrote check to two party. One check is 3,000, another check is 3,500 in the last week of December 2014. But in the bank, it is not cleared. That means we have issued the check. The party did not enhance the money. So as soon as we release the check, we gave the check to the party. In the cash book, it is reduced. 3,000 plus 3,500, 6,500. In the cash book, it is reduced. But the passbook, there is no effect at all. So since it is cash book, it is 6,500 reduced. Passbook also we have to reduce 6,500. 6,500 came by adding 3,000 plus 3,500 to check. Fifth one, check deposited into bank on November 2014, but yet to be credited on dated December 31st, 2014. Till the date of BRS, being banking reconciliation statement, 6,000 rupees deposited into the bank, account holder deposited in the bank, but the banker has not collected the check money 6,000. So that means as soon as he deposit into the bank in the cash book, he increased the balance. Account holder increased 6,000 into the cash book. But the passbook has not, there is no change in the passbook. So 6,000 cash book, there is an increase. Passbook, there is no effect. So passbook also has to be increased. The last one, wrongly debited by bank. So banker reduced 500 in the passbook, but cash book there is no change. Therefore, bank passbook 500 reduced, but passbook 500 reduced. Cash book there is no change. So what we have to do is this also we have to increase 500 because passbook they did not, cash book they have not done anything. So as per the cash book, the passbook also has to be increased. So balance as per, not balance, I'm very sorry. This is overdraft as per passbook. So the answer is now overdraft as per cash book. In order to find out, we have to find out the difference between the total minus amount column as well as plus amount column. $20,000 plus 6,500, it is 26,500 plus amount total 2,000. So it is 6,000 plus 2,000, 8,000, 8,700. So the difference between 26,500 minus 8,700 is 17,800. 17,800 we have to enter in the update side. The total column 26,500. The answer is overdraft as per overdraft as per cash book. Since we started as per passbook, overdraft as per cash book 17,800. Yeah, dear student, I believe through this 4 BRS videos published by our 1000 step video initiative concept, First video start with bank reconciliation statement, balance as per cash book. Second one, balance as per passbook. Third one, overdraft as per cash book. The fourth one, overdraft as per passbook. Thank you.